What if you could turn your spare time into real cash just by sharing your opinions? No special skills, no fancy equipment, and no complicated setup. All you need is your phone and a few minutes a day. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money online by taking surveys, which platforms are actually worth your time, how much you can realistically make, and how to avoid the scams that are out there. Every major brand you know is constantly looking for feedback. They want to know what you think about new products, your experience as a customer, what trends you're noticing, and even how much you'd be willing to pay for something. Instead of hiring huge research teams, these companies pay regular people like you and me to answer questions through online surveys. Your opinions help companies improve their products, and in return, they pay survey sites, which then pay you. It's a simple process that anyone can start today. So, which survey platforms are actually legit and pay real money or gift cards? Here are some of the most trusted options. Swagbucks lets you earn from surveys, watching videos, and even shopping with fast PayPal payouts and bonus points for daily streaks. Pinecone Research is known for some of the highest paying surveys, usually $3 to $5 each, though it's a bit selective. Toluna Influencers offers longer surveys with bigger rewards, making it great for consistent earning. InboxDollars gives you an instant $5 sign-up bonus and pays cash for small tasks and surveys. YouGov is a long-term platform where your opinions can even show up in national research polls. And Google Opinion Rewards is super simple, with quick surveys that pay out in Google Play Credit or PayPal. Let's be real. Online surveys won't replace your full-time job, but they're perfect for earning extra cash, phone credit, PayPal deposits, or gift cards, especially if you want to make some side money while commuting or during downtime. Short surveys that take just a couple of minutes usually pay between 10 and 75 cents. Medium-length surveys can pay $1 to $3, and longer ones can go up to $10 or more. If you stick with it for 20 to 30 minutes a day, you could realistically earn $50 to $150 a month. Want to maximize your earnings? Create a separate email just for survey invites. Fill out your profile completely to get matched with higher-paying surveys. Turn on app notifications so you don't miss out. And focus on longer surveys for bigger payouts. Use multiple sites instead of relying on just one, and cash out early so you don't forget about your earnings. But be careful, not all survey sites are safe. Avoid any that ask for your social security number, ID, or banking password, require you to pay to join, or promise fake giveaways. Stick to well-known, reviewed platforms to protect your time and your data. Ready to get started? Pick 3 survey sites, set up your profile, answer a few demographic questions, and start with some quick surveys. Move on to higher-paying ones as you go, cash out your earnings, and repeat daily for consistent results. You could literally start earning within the next 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart ways to earn online.